And then I ended up having my full-time job offer a year and a half before I graduated. So I did an internship after I actually already had my full-time offer with Accenture.
Got it. Okay. So you already had, so you were kind of set and you were able to actually maybe enjoy yourself at the end of your college years, I hope.
Yes. I even called Accenture and asked them, hey, so I'm in school now. Is there a certain GPA I have to keep my job offering? Because I actually have an ability to change it now. At the end of the day, I can't. So please don't surprise me.
That's funny. That's what they're like. They're like, just don't completely bomb. Is that what they basically told you?
Essentially, they couldn't tell you anything specific, but they kind of gave me don't completely bomb. Yeah.
Okay. That's fair enough. So you're starting at Accenture. Tell me how that transition was coming out of school. And well, just before we even jump there, a little bit about school life. So you said it was a dual degree, 5 years. What did you do first? Was it like you were going back and forth, or like what was the last one?
So it was Morehouse and then Georgia Tech. So the program is amazing. Think about a liberal arts college, HBCU, Morehouse College, the school that Martin Luther King went to, and then Georgia Tech, the top 5, and ME and top 3 mechanical engineering program.
Yeah, amazing.
So I started at Morehouse and I finished a full degree in 3 years, and then transitioned to Georgia Tech. And I was sort of halfway through my engineering curriculum, and then finished an engineering degree. That transition was hard as nails. Anybody who's gone from a liberal arts college to a top 5 institution of technology knows that it's a Mike Tyson punch to the gut. But so is life. So it kind of prepared me for a lot of things thereafter. Transition was tough. I actually pledged a fraternity at Georgia Tech, and I think that kind of helped balance me, honestly. And at a certain point, to be fair, it was get out of school with your degree and a decent GPA and sort of leverage it to go do what you want to do after. So I wasn't A+ Georgia Tech guy. I was getting out with the job Georgia Tech guy.